guys, so just woke up. What's up, dude? You wanna say hi? Yes, so just woke up and today is Sunday. So me and my dog, I'm gonna go to the Columbia Road flower market. If you're from London, you probably know how popular this is. It's quite a tourist attraction as well. I mean, it is nice. Nice thing to do on like a Sunday when the weather is good. But if you wanna get a good deal, I would not suggest to go early because it starts at like maybe early in the morning, I don't know, 8 or something, and closes around 3 or 4. If you want to get a good deal, I would suggest going around 2 p.m. maybe, or any time after that, because that's when all the vendors are like desperate to just get rid of their items, their plants, some of their flowers, so they would just make everything so much cheaper, and it's much more less people. Like in the middle of the day around 12, like peak hour-ish, it can be very busy and packed. Like you can't even walk sometimes. So that's one thing if you want to save money. But if you want to save even more money, don't even go. Like just go to your local flower market. Like there's so many around London. Every district, area, town, place you live in has those, you know, those local flower markets. The selection may not be as big, but still. But I do like going to Columbia Road flower market sometimes, because you know, you just want to do those touristy, typical London things every now and then. Like, I'm still new to London. Me and my dog moved here from Australia last year, so doing those typical London things makes me feel like, oh wow, I'm actually living in London, you know. Also, the road that the flower market is on has like cute stores running down the street. Bunch of boutique stores that sells like cute items, ceramics, a lot of like those gift stores, bookstores probably, bakeries, coffee shops. So it's just nice to walk along it. I'm also not from that part of town, so it's nice to explore new areas in London when I get a chance. Also, I just got a perm, if you can probably notice. I went to that Japanese hair salon that I always go to, and this time I asked for it to be extra strong, the perm, because last time they didn't do it strong enough, so I wanted to bump it up a level, but now it's like too strong. It's like the curls are curling, mama. So but it's good, it's fine, like it will last a long time then, because the last time I went, the perm wasn't strong enough and it just like, it went away so quick, so I felt like I didn't get my money's worth. It took like 4 hours at the hairdresser, so it was a long process. Luckily I bought food, stuff, and coffee to chill. Alright, so we're all done with my face. We're just gonna get ready, gonna feed the dog, and we're gonna head out to the market.